Hello everyone. Hopefully everyone is very good. Now we will learn its new things in our Excel. It is a dsum. That means dsum. Dsum. Dsum is like is equal to sumifs. Ifs. Uh, it's done everything. That's is some ifs above. Now now we see what's going on is dsum. And what is dsum? Dsum is I again said dsum is equal sum ifs. Now this is the product sales and product reveal, and this is product and this is profit. We want to find out the profit of product G. Now, if at this moment we use sum if sum if sum range is sales, sum range sales, mm, mm, range one, this criteria G. Okay, criteria G. And cells. This is sum if. If you want to find out the find out using sum is find out profit. This is sum range. Then range criteria sorry criteria range. Then product. This is a profit. If you want to see this profit, then this is sales profit. Okay. Using this Sumifs, Sumifs. It's okay, Sumifs. We can find out this. It's okay. It's a good. Now we have to see more advanced function is Dsums. Dsum what's going on? Dsum is equal to very smart and profit. And at first we will use use a drop list function to find out some sales, some profit. Then we are going to see the product E. Product E we see sales 2,404 and profit 1,134. Now we will use the dsum. Dsum is database range. What's the database? This database. Operational field. Which operational field we want to find out? This sales and profit. These two operational field. Is it good here? No. This operation field is here. This operation field. Now criteria. Criteria. Which criteria? Product E. That means product E. Done. 1 on 1 profit. Now we want to see this sales. The F. It's similar to Sumifs and this it's not a very not very difference about two things, but I think this sum is more advanced from Sumifs. Thank you everyone. Best of luck.